Yeah, do this. Oh, this is so fun.
This is so nice.
Oh my gosh.
He's so happy.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's different stories with people in a wheelchair.
Yeah. And react. Yes. Oh my
Yes,
gosh.
you got it. Okay, look at the trash can. Really? I didn't know this is. I would love to play that game.
Whoa, this is tough. Look at that. You have to bounce it
He's
right.
so good.
What? I couldn't do that.
What? I swear, there's a lot of games. This is so creative. Like,
Yeah. Nice. Wait, so they're all unable to move?
exactly.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
It's just the
like,
upper
how
part
they-
moving.
How many activities they can do and then just have fun, you know?
Oh my god, now this is intense.
Wow, this is. You almost
Oh
got
my
it.
god, yeah.
Oh my god.
I would love to
they're
play that
good.
game.
Yeah, it's actually hard. I feel like everyone is. You have to think a lot as well.
Oh, it's so. Oh, nerve-wracking.
Okay, that's tough.
Wow, but look
Okay,
at
okay, okay, you got it. Okay, a few more inches.
Yeah, but look at them, they're all so concentrated. Because, yeah, they're all so connected.
Almost, come on. Ah.
No way, at the very end.
No way, okay. 3, 2,
You let go.
1.
No, don't let go, don't let go.
Don't, come on. Until the end, Come on, just got it. You got it. I see that line, like, you know, it's like a running race. Like, I see that line, but it's just so far.
Oh!
Oh